Once again, welcome children. So children, here we have one puzzle based on weight. So I'm going to explain this puzzle. How many oranges? Here you have to find how many oranges will balance one papaya and one mango. So all oranges have equal weight. The two papayas have the same weight. The weights in the first and second balances are equal. How many oranges balance the weight in the third? So children, here you have to find how many oranges balance the weight in the third. So here you have to find how many oranges you will keep on this balance on this pan. Okay, so children, look here in this balance we have one mango and one orange on left side and three oranges on right side. Okay, so what you have to do children, here you can see, because here we have one mango and one orange and here we have three oranges. If you will remove this orange and this orange, then it means one mango will balance two oranges. Okay, one mango will balance how many oranges? Two oranges. Okay, so I am writing here one mango equals two oranges. Okay, now moving to the next balance children. So here in this balance you can see two papaya equals two oranges plus one mango, means two papayas are balanced by two oranges and one mango. So children, you all know the weight of one mango is equal to two oranges. So in place of this mango we can keep here two oranges. Okay, so when you are keeping two oranges over here, and you all know the weights in the all oranges have equal weight. Okay, so here I am keeping two oranges, so it means the weight of one papaya equals two oranges, and here the weight of this papaya will be equal to these two oranges, and the weight of this papaya will be equal to these two oranges. Okay, so here we can write one papaya equals two oranges. The weight of one papaya equals two oranges. Now next, here you can see, here we have to find how many oranges will balance one papaya and one mango. So children, you all know one papaya equals two oranges. So for this papaya I am writing two oranges over here, and for this mango you can see here what we have written, one mango will balance two oranges. So for this mango I am again writing two oranges. So it means total four oranges will balance one papaya and one mango. Okay, so in this way you have to solve such type of questions. Okay, moving to the next page. So here I have written the answers. Please go through this. Whatever I have explained earlier I have written here. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here we have one question. Please go through this question. Now it's your turn children. You have to give the. So children, here in this question you have to find how many oranges will balance this papaya. So for this children, what you will do, here you will first remove this orange. Okay, it means one mango will balance two oranges, and here in place of this mango you will write two oranges. Okay, it means one papaya will balance two oranges. So here your answer will be one papaya will balance two oranges. Okay, so in this way you have to solve these questions. With this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you.